Yo, hope everybody's doing good. I just want to make a very quick video because I've gotten a few questions lately that all revolve around people trying to get into the e-commerce space. And all the questions revolve around, hey, I'm trying to get into the e-commerce space, I'm trying to get into drop shipping or creating a brand. And all of them revolve around thinking that this space is easy and that you can just throw together a site, throw together a Shopify site, throw some ads together, steal the ads from your competition, throw them together, and expect to get sales. This video is to tell you that's not how it works. I've been working on this brand here, puppering.com, for the last couple of years. And over the last couple of years, I can tell you that it takes time. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes a lot of testing. There's a big misconception that you have to find a winning product. Yes, there's such thing as products that are more in, that are more trending. But if you're able to market a product, it doesn't matter what that product is. If you're able to find an audience that has a problem and you're able to provide a solution to that audience with your product, you're able to sell that to that audience. And that is, at the end of the day, what I think matters, right, in this space. If you are trying to get into this space, well, yeah, you're gonna need to get a store together. I like to use Shopify. I think it's a great platform. You're gonna need to get a domain name. I like to use Namecheap for all my domain names. And you're gonna need to find a product in a niche that you enjoy, right? I enjoy dogs. I love dogs. I've had dogs my whole life. So my personal project is going to be puppering, right? We're creating jewelry for pet owners. You're gonna need to create an experience so when somebody unboxes your products that they enjoy it. You're not just gonna wanna send a shitty product from China to a person and expect that person to be like, oh my God, this is amazing. If your product is shit, their experience is gonna be shit. If their experience is shit, they're gonna leave a bad review on Facebook of their purchase experience. If they leave a bad review on Facebook of their purchase experience, your page score goes down. If your page score goes down below a certain point, you can't advertise. If you're trying to genuinely get into this business, get into it to provide quality work and quality products and create quality experiences for your customers. Let's talk a little bit about ads, and then I want to cut this video. I don't want it to be too long. Don't just steal your ads from competitors. If you're just stealing ads from competitors and expecting them to work, you're just throwing shit at a wall, dude. Because those competitors that created those ads, that bought that content, that had their own content creators record that content, are not gonna like it when you steal the ads and run those ads and run their content. They're gonna report you. If you get reported enough times for stealing content, your account gets banned. Now you can't run. So you have to go in, if you're trying to genuinely get into this business, you have to go into this business trying to create a legitimate business. Every product you test, give it months. Genuinely order that product yourself. Record the content yourself. Try to create a good experience for your customers. Order a small amount of inventory to your house. Package and fulfill that inventory. Understand how the shipping process works, how to print shipping labels, how to get packaging and put labels on packaging and close packaging and create a good experience and send that to people. That is what you should be creating. That should be the only thing you should be doing. Because all of this other nonsense, all of this other make money quick is bullshit. It takes time. It takes failure. You have to be willing to fail over and over and over and over again until you're able to get something that works. It's gonna take time. It's not easy. I'm not here to pitch you on anything. This is just a fucking PSA, dude. So if you're trying to get into the space, do it right. I have a bunch of content on my channel that's completely free that you can watch that hopefully will help. And that's it. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of your Monday. Get to work, spend time, learn, make mistakes, fail, learn from those mistakes, and grow. That's all I got.